there might be some demo session. That's okay, no problem. No problem. I'll just take up little topic. Even Santosh is also not responding. I think. I mean, he's there for airport, I think.
Santosh is saying yesterday, right?
Yeah.
I was actually down in the
Yeah. I'll just take up little session. If it's having any doubt, I'll just once again explain. No problem. Small session.
Okay.
Any doubts?
I was able to go on those data. That's what I didn't try more than that. Actually, I was able to do the transaction thing what we covered. I did try one. I got the thing.
Okay.
And I'm not there. It's confident, but I'm able to do things. I'm probably able to orient to the flow which we are talking about, the transaction, transfer, download, and all those things.
Okay.
So I'm kind of going through all those things now.
Okay.
And I also found with the 350 photo which you wanted me to go through them. So before that, is there something that I have to know before I told you I'm not connected so is there something else I need to listen to know what the basic terms are in SAP and things like that before I start with the 350 folder?
If you want to get any kind of book, get this book. I think, did they tell you this?
Practical practice.
Just try to go through this. That's more than enough. And the documentation and all, you can just go through the A-Final and all. Don't go by PDF wise. See, if you look at the PDF wise, it's going to take a lot of time, and even you're going to lose the interest.
And basically, what I saw in the PDF in the folder, while they were showing what new features were added to each version. That really did not explain the basic features.
Basic and all, you need to go by my sessions only.
Okay. Yeah. So those things I was able to orient. I was able to see that okay, that in presentation to somebody who's already working at the one to know about two. Those things are understood. So that's why I wanted to know if there's something basic that you want me to go through.
This is a book more than enough to you.
Okay.
Yeah. So we're talking about ODS input with data loading. And before going to that, let me tell you there are different types of uploads or updates you can say. One is full upload. Second one, initialization. Third one, delta. One is full upload, initialization, and delta upload. Right. First, full upload. What is that we are doing so far? Full upload. Right? If it is full load, whatever data is there in source, all the data is requested to target. Whatever data is there in source, all the data is requested to data target. Fine. So let's say in the source, I got some 10 lakhs records. In the source, I got some 10 lakhs records. If I go for full load, all the data is loaded. But next time onwards, I need not to load the same data, right?
Yeah.
So whatever changes are there since the last load, so that is nothing but delta loads. So deltas are nothing but changes since the last load. There could be some, so after the last load, there could be some 100 new records and 200 lesser modified records. So uploading these new and modified is nothing but the change can be new record, it can be a modified record. Anything. So
30 to 50. Is this the reason why you initially said that your data is stable for at least 6 months?
Not for 6 months, you hardly we will maintain for 25 days to 1 month, that's all.
So that will help us with delta load as well.
No, it's not. Delta loads from source system itself directly, not from PSA.
So from source system, so how do we actually know what?
That's what. So that is where the insulation comes into picture. So full load, and this is your delta load, and therefore, say, if you want to run delta system, doesn't know what is your new record, what is not record, right? That is where insulation comes into picture. If I run insulation, system maintains ALL pointers based on which delta records are identified. Without insulation, you cannot go for delta. Without insulation, you cannot go for delta. See here, system is going to run some pointers based on which only delta records are identified. And there are two types of insulation. One is insulate without data transfer, where just insulation is done. Only insulation. Second one, insulate with data transfer. Insulate with data transfer, where you have full plus insulation parallelly. Means data is loaded as well as insulation also can be run by using this insulate with data transfer. Full upload, insulation and delta loads. See, full upload, all the data is requested to target. Then I want to go for deltas, but if you want to go for deltas, insulation is mandatory, where system needs to identify the delta records. And there are two kinds of insulations. One is insulate without data transfer, where system runs only insulation, only pointers are run, that's all. No data is uploaded here in this case. But in this case, you got full load plus insulation. Getting my point?
Yes. What is ALL pointer?
It's a kind of pointer which is going to be maintained by the system automatically. Okay. You need not to worry about that. System will take care of that pointer. Right. And there is something called selective full loads. Say if it is full load, let's say for example, in the source, I got 1 to 10,000 documents. In the full load, I got 1 to 10,000 documents. Right. See, if I upload all the documents, that is nothing but full load, right?
Yes.
If I upload all the 10,000 documents, that is full load. But in the selective full load, I just want to go for say 2001 to 5,000. I just want to upload 2001 to 5,000 documents. What is this? Selective full load. That's what. So these are the different kinds of uploads which we are going to use. Is that clear? Full load, insulation and deltas. For deltas, insulation is mandatory. And I told you what are the different kinds of insulations you have got. I also told you what is selective full load and all. Fine. Now, say, what is your objective? You want to load data from ODS to
the package.
InfoCube. See, ODS to InfoCube. If it is full or installation, InfoCube gets data from. If it is full or installation, InfoCube gets data from its table, active data table. If it is delta, InfoCube gets data from, yes, change of table. That's it. And this is one important question, interview question. This is right. Now let me tell you step by step. Source is ODS, target is InfoCube. You got InfoCube, but there must be mapping between your ODS and InfoCube. No? So that is your first step. You have to create your details. Then create. So you can just schedule directly. No need of creating info package. Schedule the data. So let me show you how to go about it.
ODS and DSM, right? You want to
Yeah.
create it as
Yes, please. So this is our source DS1 and this is our InfoCube. So I need to map between DS1 and InfoCube. Right click on InfoCube, create, update tools. So for InfoCube, what is the source? So you can just give the name. Just give the name. You can see one-to-one mapping, cost to cost. So you can check the cost to cost, revenue to revenue, quantity to quantity. You can say these are the update tools for key figures. If you want to check the cash, these are the update tools for cash testing. And
how do you get this?
just click on this mapping, cash, just click on this mapping and see that time reference caching. There is some automatic time conversion from day, year and month mapped. Day to day, day to year and month. Just continue, check, go with activate.
During the transit structure, communication structure, and update to the mapping, they all are the same. Like we can do, if we do a formula, we can do the same functions on all these functions, right? Have to import different functions.
Yes. No, actually, it's almost all similar functions only. Right. Just go back. Now you can check your data flow. Right click, show data flow. source to DSO, DSO to info. That's what. So now what to do? From DSO I need to upload data to InfoCube. No? Right click on DSO. What is the option? Yes. So what is the update? Directly I want to go for initial update. Where with data transfer full plus installation I want to the update. You can see here. What is it? The other one without data transfer. Schedule. Click on start.
If you take without data transfer, that is the data file at that point.
So it just runs on installation. No, the data is uploaded. No?
Okay.
Go with monitor. If you want to check the data in target, you can check it. Go with data target. See request. See, it should be automatically available for reporting. I think there is some status problem. So I'm just manually changing. In the live, you need not to change this manually. It is automatically available for reporting. You need not to worry. So this contents, I'm trying to verify the contents. So this is a symbol for reporting. Request is available for reporting. That's what it says. So requested date, updated date, transfer from the source to added to the target to. You can see that. These are the different other information. Contents. Go with InfoCube contents. Field selection for output. So I'm selecting everything. What is this? Employee respective SID. Product respective SID. I told you now. Surrogate ID connects to master tables. Select all. Execute. Execute. You can see respect to surrogate ID. Product ID respect to surrogate ID. Day, month. These are your key figures. What I'll do? See, what is that? Source to ODS, ODS to InfoCube. ODS to InfoCube, we have done only installation, right?
Yeah.
I want to run from Delta. If I want to run from Delta, I need to post some record to ODS now first.
Yes.
So from source to ODS we have uploaded. So DSO that is.
Yes, sir.
Right. From DSO to InfoCube, I have done installation. So I want to run Delta. So if I want to run Delta, there must be some new record posted to DSO, no? There must be some change in the DSO. What I'll do, from the source I'll upload a new record to DSO. From the source I'll upload a new record to DSO, and from DSO that new record I'll upload it as Delta. Let me do that. I'm trying to post a new record.
Not accessing.
Come again. Stop. Run.
Uh-huh.
Anything?
Yeah. No.
Just save it. Yeah. So let's load data to DSO. How to do? Info package. Just info package. You have to run the info package, nothing else. So this is the info source. Go to info sources. So this is our info source now. Info package. Just going for right update search. Just monitor. Now successful. Let us activate target request. Change the status. You can see some status here, right? What is this? Means to say it is uploaded from DSO to Infosys. This request is uploaded from DSO to Infosys. So this is not activated. Status okay. Save. Select the request. What to do? This one. Start. It's going on. Let it be.
How will the same kind how will the market know to come?
Arun?
How good is the job?
It's very good here. BA to BA is very good market.
Okay.
That's much time it is taking.
Before I type update, because I was just trying to come a lot.
You have to delete just now. Partially activated, it is not completely activated. So we have to change the status. This status, unless we change the status, we cannot delete it also. So for that, I need to start the job first. Related to this activation, I need to start the job. Just go with SM37, select schedule, go with execute. Job is cancelled. This activation job is cancelled. Now, the request is turned to red, select, delete. Unless it is red or green, we cannot delete it.
Okay. Then in the request column is the not that two columns for that.
Currently deletion is going on, right? Now once again I can request the data now. Into package, I'm just requesting the same data. Monitor, target, request, change the status, select, activate, start. Refresh. It's done now. Refresh. Now what to do? This request I need to upload to target now. As a delta load I want to make it. So right, go to info provider, ODS. What is this? What is the update mode now? What is that? We are doing delta only now. Update. What is the update mode? Default the delta update. Schedule. Select constant. Go with monitor. Going on. The one record must be uploaded. Yeah. I told you something called data mart status, right? Data mart status. Now itself I have shown you now. Using this, system comes to know whether the request from ODS, request from DSO is uploaded to target or not. No. I'll show you one second. Workbench, right click, manage. What is that? Yes. So let us say successful. We can verify the data target. Say request, change the request. Normally in the live don't require to change. Content, info keep content. Connection for output, select all, execute. So you can see the new record. So try to do this. If there are any problem, I'll discuss in tomorrow's session. Yes. Tomorrow as usual our timing.
Okay, and what is the topic?
I'm going to discuss InfoSec and multi-provider.